Hi there, it's Austin from Automatic Business, and I'm going to show you how to make a quiz in Go High Level. So, first, you just need to be logged in again to Go High Level. Go to Sites and go to Quizzes and then Builder. Then, after that, you can just click Add Quiz and choose from either of these two options. So from templates, of course, this is for pre-built quizzes. It already has designs and a lot of other things. Starting from scratch is good for us because it's for beginners and we want to actually learn how to make one for ourselves. So let's create from this one. And right here, we've arrived at the quiz. Up top here, need to change the name of the quiz. This is how you do it. And here, this is the page one. If you want to add a new page, you can click add new page, of course. And as you can see, the last page always has a submit. If you add a new page, this one will turn to next, and the last page will always have a submit. If you want to delete a page, you click it from here. As you can see, if we want to add questions, you can just scroll down from here. You can check, you can have a choice question, you can have different options, you can have a short answer question. Short answer questions are usually questions that are just one word or two word answers, and long answer questions are usually for sentences. And you could even have personal information, addresses, city, and a lot of other things. So if you're all good with your quiz, if you added all the questions that you want, you can click save to save your progress, of course. Because if you haven't clicked save and you exited from this tab, it's not going to be there when you open it again. So for checking if how it looks like in when the user views it, so let's just click preview, and that's how it looks like. So if I click this question here, I change my question, how old are you? I know this is not the proper um, type of question for this this kind of question, but let's just do it like this, like 10, 28, 30, like that. And let's go preview. And that's how it looks like. How old are you? And then click, and then that's it. It goes whenever a user completes a question, it goes to the next page. So our next page is this one. So that's how it looks like. So if we do that, and then this last part is submit. So if you're satisfied with that and you're all good to go with your quiz, if you've added all the questions you want and you're satisfied with how it looks like, you go to integrate, and you have the embed code here so that you can put it on your website. You also have a share here where you can copy a link and then send it to whatever platform you want. And it even has these socials over here: Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and X. And you can send the link to any of those platforms. And that's it. I hope it's clear. I hope you've learned something, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.